Qingdao Jiashengde polymer material co. Ltd is a company integrating R&D design, production and sales. Firstly, we use stone powder as the core raw material, heat and extrude to granulate. Then, we use the hollow board equipment, corrugated mold to shape. Finally, we print explicit patterns. According to customer requirements, die cut and bind it into boxes. The hollow board packaging boxes make up for the deficiencies of traditional corrugated cardboard boxes, and their functions are more comprehensive and intensive than those of traditional corrugated cardboard boxes. They have the characteristics of being moisture-proof, compression-proof, fresh-keeping tube system recyclable, and photo-degradable. They are biodegradable to the transportation and packaging products such as fruits and vegetables, fresh products, food precision instruments, and auto parts. At present, they are the most biodegradable materials that replace but in favor with plastics. At present, our company optimizes products from 3 dimensions, formula process, and equipment to ensure the automatic and stable operation of the equipment and the stability of the product quality.